What's going on? Welcome to today's video. Today's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to do an unboxing of a Google Home Mini. Bailey got me this Google Home Mini for Christmas and I wanted to show you guys the unboxing as well as setting it up. That video will come out later this week. If this is your first time here checking out this video or our channel, we ask you to subscribe. The reason for that is we produce project videos and review videos and helping you know the easy and simple steps that it takes to turn your house into a home. If you want to see the project videos that I've completed in the past, go ahead and click on this link right here. Now let's get to the unboxing. We purchased this Google Home Mini for $30 at Best Buy because Target was sold out. We did buy this just a week before Christmas, so we were cutting it a little close. When first handling this Google Home Mini, there isn't a lot of movement, so it is packaged fairly well. To open the package properly, there's this little pull tab that you're going to pull on and it'll actually create a lid for you to open and expose the Google Home Mini inside. Now the Google Home Mini comes in three colors: this chalk, a charcoal, and a coral, all of which have the same color grip on the bottom. So pick the color that'll suit the environment and setting that you want. Next, you'll remove the housing for the Google Mini and that will have the instructions and warranty and safety guide for you to use your Google Home Mini. The Let's Get Started card pretty much says two things. One, plug in your Google Home Mini, and two, download the Google Home app on your phone or tablet. The Get to Know Your Google Home Mini booklet pretty much just gives examples of commands that you can give. The last booklet tells about the warranty and safety guidelines about your Google Home Mini. The last thing in the box is the power cord that's all coiled up. The power cord has a matted or flat feel to it, and it feels pretty sturdy and actually pretty high quality. The power cord length is 1.5 meters, which equates to 4.92 feet long. The Google Home Mini uses a micro USB port. I did double check that there's nothing else in the box, so I lifted this end up, and indeed there is nothing. Thanks for watching today's unboxing of the Google Home Mini. Keep an eye out for my future video that I'll release in a couple days on how to set up your Google Home Mini. If you want to see project videos that we've completed in the past, go ahead and click on this link right here. And don't forget to click on this link to make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos that we have in the pipeline. Also be sure to check out our social media pages that you'll find right here. Hopefully you have a wonderful day and we'll see you next time.